আমি আজকে স্যামসাং জে ফোন আনবক্সিং করব। তো এটা হচ্ছে ওয়ান অফ দ্য বিউটিফুল ফোন, কোনো ডাউট নাই। তো আমি এটা ইউকে থেকে আনিয়েছি, আজকে হাতে পেলাম। তো যতদূর জানি এটা হচ্ছে ফার্স্ট ওয়ান ইন বাংলাদেশ, দ্য স্যামসাং জেড ফোন। আমার জানা মতে এটা আর কারো কাছে আসে নাই বা কেউ আনেন নাই, আর বাংলাদেশের মার্কেটে এটা অ্যাভেলেবল পাওয়া যায় না যতদূর জানি। ওকে, লেটস চেক। আমরা আমাদের ফোনটা আনবক্সিং করি। আর এখানে আমার ছোট মেয়ে লোবাবা মেগে ক্লাস। ওকে ওকে, তাহলে বসে বসে করি। Okay, wait a little bit.
First open a tap.
Yeah. I think something here.
Oh yeah, this is the tap too. This tap is just like a chocolate, but
Okay.
it's not a tap.
This is Z Flip phone, Galaxy, and moreover, for your kind information that maybe 15 years later, I am going to be back for Android phone. বিকজ ওয়েন আইফোন আসার পর থেকে আইফোনই ইউজ করতেছিলাম, আর কখনোই অন্য অ্যান্ড্রয়েড ফোনে যাই নাই। বাট এই ফোনটা দেখার পরে আমার শখ হয়েছে যে আমি
Wait, are you gonna really glue this?
Oh, hold on, wait a little bit. Okay, let's. Oh my god.
Black color. I mean, one of you got to see them with a black color.
Okay, then wow. Okay, then. Oh my god! Yeah! Yes! You did it. Show them. Yes, this is the. Okay.
Then you can just call the phone well, right?
Yeah.
And also download some games, right?
Lubaba, it's not game phone. It's my personal phone. Okay, let me on it. Then
Can we
Let's
on
check.
it?
yes.
Oh, this is how. Oh, is that a shorts?
Sure. And here is the charger. I choose the black one. Okay, and
What's the
this
purple
is
one?
I don't know, purple one I don't get it because its charge is not enough. I have
It is
to
really the black one.
I have to do different one thing.
Oh, this is so nice.
Really, it's a good. Actually, this এই ফোনটাতে চার্জ অলমোস্ট শেষ, যে জন্য আমি আর আপনাদের প্রিয় দর্শক মণ্ডলী, আমি আর সামনের দিকে এগোতে পারছি না because of charge is not enough. So I think when okay, let's try again. Yeah, take it. Take it. Actually, the seller give me a code number. It should be entered on the
Cool
phone.
laptop. Oh, I saw the numbers move out. Look. 1, 2. See? I think it's this
Oh, I get it. Okay,
one.
give it to me.
Here.
1 9 7 8 3 1. Okay. Yeah, this phone is restarting. Yes. I think it need a little
Bella, did we get
yes.
Bella something?
Yeah, we can, but later, not now.
What?
You see, this the phone. Hold on. Yes. And what is the camera resolution? Oh, here have a small monitor also. Here have a small monitor. If any phone, যদি কোনো phone আসে, then ringing time, we can see the display here. Who is call me, and it's like inside my grave, and it's when I put it in my pocket. I think you see, it's smaller than, how much is smaller than this one? This is iPhone 10, and this is almost half portion. You see, when we fold it, but after open it, it's come how bigger, long, and the wide is almost same. You see, it's a big phone. It's really big.
Can I do something?
Mhm.
Just put it here and then we can just.
And another thing, I'm showing all the all people. You see the slim, how it's slim. It's also the slim body, and
Body?
also that have cover. That's true. But when I open it, it's slimmer than the iPhone, no doubt. You see, I'm showing the people who are my audience. I think it's beautiful, one of the beautiful phone in the world, no doubt. Thank you everybody.